Hello kids! How are you all today? I hope you are ready for some crazy fun because today we are going to see something super colorful and full of surprises. Oh wait! These are colorful doors. Look so amazing! And look at these shiny slides. They look like so much fun. They even look like a slice of yummy colorful pizza. I think something amazing is going to happen here today. Alright, let's open the first door, the red door. It's our cute little doggy. He's sliding down. Ha ha ha! What a jump! Woohoo! Now, here comes our kitten queen. She just finished her milk and oh no! She's sliding down. Up next, and here comes our happy cow. Wow! She looks so cheerful. And look at her. Ha ha ha! Who's this? Oh my goodness! It's our chubby piggy. He's doing somersaults. Look at that! Oh look! The blue door is opening now. And wow! It's our strong horse. He looks so fast. Maybe he'll win a race someday. Now from the purple door comes our Baba black sheep. She's sliding too, right into the pizza slice. That's so fun. And now the pink door. Oh wow! It's a couple, a rooster and a hen. Look, they are racing on the slide. So cute and funny. Now all our friends are together. Look, they are forming a shape of big colorful pizza. Wow! A perfect rainbow pizza made up of all the animals. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe kids. Bye-bye! Hello friends! So what are we doing today? This is mud. Woohoo! Piggy's here! Splash! Now he's super dirty in the mud. Look! White sheep is here. Our rooster is joining. Cat queen has arrived. And doggy friend. Superstar horse running fast. And cow also want to join. One by one, all animals are jumping in. Rooster splashing. Doggy rolling. And cat meowing in the mud. Horse bouncing. Cow bathing. Everyone is having fun in the muddy puddle. But oh no! Now look at them, all so dirty. What should we do? Ah, idea! Let's use this water pipe to wash them clean. Switch on the water. Whoosh! First, chubby piggy, scrub, scrub, scrub. Wow, piggy is shining now. Next, our rooster. Clean, clean, clean. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Shiny feathers. Cat queen comes here. You made such a mess. Okay, scrub, scrub. There you go, all clean. Doggy, your turn. Alright, nice and shiny. Baba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, but it's all dirty. Ah, white and fluffy again. Cow, you too. Never mind. Scrub, scrub. Moo. All clean. And finally, superstar horse. You had too much fun, huh? Wash, wash, wash. Shiny and handsome again. Look friends, now all the animals are clean, happy and sparkling. What a fun muddy adventure today. See you all in next video. Bye-bye. Hello kids. Guess what are we going to do today? Something super fun and new. Oh wow. Look at that tractor. It's full of colorful pumpkins. But why are they here? Any guess kids? Haha. Let me tell you, Halloween is coming soon. Alright, let's drop all the pumpkins down. Tam-tam. Ah, they are rolling everywhere. So colorful and beautiful. But wait, how will we pack the surprise gifts inside? Look, the pumpkins are lining up perfectly. Ready for Halloween fun. Okay, let's start with the red Halloween pumpkin. What's inside, kids? Can you guess? I really don't know. You tell me. It's a baby cow toy. So cute and soft. Now the orange pumpkin is ready. Something strange is moving inside. What could it be? Wow! It's a chicken toy. Cluck cluck! Let's open the yellow pumpkin. Do you know what's inside, kids? Haha! Yes, it's a baby duckling toy. Ah, so tiny and cute. Quack quack! Next comes the green pumpkin. Maybe something that jumps. Can you guess? Ta-da! It's a baby frog toy. Ha ha ha! Look, it's hopping everywhere. Now the blue pumpkin. I think this one has super fun. Let's open together. Oh wow! It's a happy little rabbit toy. Ha ha ha! Time for purple pumpkin. I can see something soft inside, but can't tell what is it. You guess, come on. Oh, it's a baby sheep toy. Baba! Now, the pink pumpkin. I can see something peeking out, kids. Can you see it too? What is it? Yes, it's a baby pig toy. Oink oink! I'll keep this one for me. Next is the cyan pumpkin. Oh wow! I can't wait to see. Let's open it fast. It's a tiny kitten toy. So soft and so fluffy. Now comes the brown pumpkin. This one looks tricky. What could it be inside? Let's guess together, kids. Oh wow! It's a baby horse toy. Nah! And now, the last pumpkin. I think we already know what's inside, right? Yes, you're correct. It's your cute puppy toy. Such a lovely puppy. Today we opened so many colorful Halloween pumpkins and found adorable baby animal toys inside. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye-bye, kids!
Hello, friends! Good day to you! This looks interesting. We have colorful building blocks. These blocks teach us the alphabets. Help me place them in order, please. A. Let's do the same for all. Perfect! B. C. D. E. Y, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Well done, friends! See you again! Bye!
Hello, kids! Guess what? The wheels on the bus are here again. And today, we are going on a super duper fruit farm adventure. First stop, the strawberry house. Oh wow! Look who's here! Let's roll ahead. At the mango house, we see a big friend, the elephant. Next stop, the apple house. Wait a second. Ooh, it's the monkey king. And now, the watermelon house. Oh my goodness, it's our little funny piggy. He's ready for some giggles. Ha! Pear house. Surprise! Who's here? It's Teddy Buddy. Let's drive to the orange house. Moo! It's our cow friend. Hi, cow. Last stop. Ta-da! The pineapple house. And here comes our pretty kitty cat. Meow meow. Hey, everyone is here. So let's all go on a surprise trip together. What fun we had today. See you all soon. Bye-bye, kids. Hello, kids. Are you ready for today's fun? Oh, wait. What is this behind me? These look like some strange shapes. But what to do with them? Hey, who is coming here? Oh, it's our cute elephant. And what is this he brought? A surprise box full of shapes. Wow! This looks super fun. What do we do now? Okay, let's start putting them together. First piece goes here. Oh wow! What will it turn into? Click! Now, second one. Come on! Quick! I can't wait! Tuk tuk! And the last shape. Oh kids! Get ready! Something amazing is coming! Bam! It became a tortoise! Wow! Now, let's try the next set of shapes. Put it here. Snap! Ha ha ha! Kids, do you see? It's a teddy bear. Next shape. Ding! Wow! This is a bumblebee. Buzzing! What is it, my friend? Ha ha ha! It's a ladybug. Tiny and funny. Alright, what about this one? It's a colorful butterfly. Look at its rainbow wings. This one turned into an owl. So smart, with big eyes and wide wings. So kids, today we saw how different shapes can create amazing things. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next surprise video. Bye bye, kids.
Hello, kids.
It's a dog. This is a cat. A horse. It is a pig. This is cow. A sheep. It's hen. This is a rooster.
Ooh, magic crayons. Nice. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. Hey, children. Hello, kids. Very colorful. Let's check what's in there. Shall we begin? Red color.
A horse.
Cool. Pink color.
This is cow.
Orange color.
A sheep.
Purple color.
It is a pig.
Yellow color.
It's a dog.
Blue color.
This is a cat.
Green color.
This is a rooster.
Thanks for the help. Have a wonderful day.
A horse.
This is cow.
A sheep.
It is a pig. It's a dog. This is a cat. This is a rooster. This is a duck.
Hello, friends. Have a look here. What shall we do?
Well, I have a plan for today. Let's go.
Hey!
Wow, awesome. Let's go.
Amazing. This is an elephant. This is a lion.
This is giraffe.
Hey!
This is flamingo. This is snake.
This is zebra.
This is bird.
This is crocodile.
That is awesome. That was wonderful, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.
Hello, kids! Ooh! Let's check what's in there. Very colorful. Shall we begin? Hey! Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Brown color. White color. Black color. Thanks for the help. Have a wonderful day.